welcome to GIS E-Pathshala Grade 9 Social Science History Chapter 1 The French Revolution. See, now in previous video lectures we have seen that what happened when the price increased. The empty treasury was there. Because of the empty treasury, the king felt that only one thing came in the mind, that I have to increase the tax. So tax increased, and on the same time the population growth was there, and because of the population growth also the demand of the things, demand for the thing was more, and compared to the demand the income of the people was less, and some of the prices were there. So now what happened, some farmers, peasants, workers were busy in the to protest against all those things. They were busy in the revolt because the tax increased, and at the same time the scarcity of food was there. So because of the these things, the peasants and workers were there in the revolt only. But now what happened? Something different happened in the society. What happened? A section of third estate became prosperous. See, section of third estate, as you know, in third estate the lower people were there, and the first section and second section was totally rich people. So now in the third section what happened? Third estate become in third estate some sections and some of the people became prosperous. How they become prosperous? Who were there? First of all, who were there from the third estate? Merchants, traders, lawyers, manufacturers, such type of people were there who became prosperous. How? Because they started overseas trade and manufacturing of goods. They started overseas trade and manufacturing of goods. Overseas trade means they were loading the ship and taking all the material and things and goods to other places and selling goods there. So like that, in overseas they are doing trade, they were manufacturing some of the very good things like this. And during that time what happened in European countries, Europe side, the industrial revolution also started. The industrial revolution also started. So these all people did such type of things, overseas trade, manufacturing goods, and they got the source of income. They got a source of income. Suppose I am staying in a small place, and suppose I start my business in a metropolitan city, some of the places, and from that I can earn more money. So I got a source of income, different source of income. So like that, those people got the source of income. And what they did, they made their children educated. They made their children educated. They gave education to their children also. Now what happened? One good type of educated and little bit good section arose in the society. One good section arose in the society. People getting education also, and in the source of income was also good. See, the first and second estate the royal peoples were there. In third estate the poor people were there. But these people were not so poor and not rich as compared to the first and second estate. So this type of one middle class emerged in France. In the society, one middle class emerged. One middle class rose in the society. See, these people were not poor like the third estate and not so much rich compared to the according to the first and second class. But now these people got the source of income. They are financially little bit stable, and they got the education also. In this group they got the education also. They got new ideas also. Some of the things came also, and now they were thinking themselves little bit high. They are not thinking, previously they were counting themselves totally low, totally inferior. So now little bit percentage of inferiority complex was gone, and they are thinking that now we can also do something. This type of things came, and because of all these things, now what happened? After the education, they got the education and financially also a little bit stable. So after the education, obviously after getting the education, the person can think better. Some sort of opinion they can give, and they think better only. So what happened? The educated group was there. Now the educated group was there, and what they were thinking, no group in the society should be prevailed by birth. See, no group in the society should be privileged by birth. Sorry. So what happened? So certain type of privileges were those first and second groups were getting by birth only. So this type of thing should not be there in the society, they told. And now they got the education, so their mind changed, thinking power changed. Now second thing what they told, demanded a society. They demanded a society based on freedom and equal laws and opportunity. Now what they say, that whether the person is poor or rich, but they should acquire the equal opportunity, and law should be equal for all, and freedom should be given to all persons should be free. So this second thing they demanded. Now person's social position must be developed on his merit. See, by birth you should not consider a position of a person. Person's social position must be developed on his merit. Whatever the person is doing good, whatever the merits of the person, on the base of the merit only the position must be developed in the society. So these type of things were totally different from the what was the society privilege, what was the society was there in the France. So like this, and all these things were there, and now these things were inspired by the philosophers. Some philosophers also inspired such type of things. Now what happens, once now if the higher class of society is supposed to do anything to this lower third middle class, they are having the money, they are educated, now they got a voice to oppose. Now they cannot sit, now they could not sit dumb, and they want to raise their hands, they want to raise their voice. So like that, now they got a voice also. So now anything is going to happen, anything was going to happen, immediately they will do, then they will protest, and all such things are proper. So it was inspired by philosophers also. Philosophers also inspired the things. Now we will see who were the philosophers and how they inspired this type of thing.